Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that you should scroll a little bit down and you'll see here the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode you should click here once on the silent mode switcher. If you want to also silence media in silence mode, you can just also use this switcher. Just to turn it off, click on the switchers once again, and that's it. So also you can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel and somewhere here you should find this mode icon. Just click here once on the mode icon and now silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click here on the icon once again. And also we have here the third way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button and after that just click once on the bell icon to activate silent mode, and to turn it off click on the bell icon once again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.